All right, so welcome back again. We are going to move into hypothesis testing now. This is our main research questions we developed thus far. And we want to look at the first one there, talking about training and development versus firm performance. So we want to see if our hypothesis question we pose is significant or not. Don't forget, you can go back and check the hypothesis we developed the other time. Okay, in the introduction section, you will still remember we have H naught and H A, which means non hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. That's what I mean. I'm trying to say. So just creeping the heading here. Okay, we are underline it to make it more clean and neat. So create a coefficient. We want to create a coefficient and peak value, and therefore we are using Pearson correlation now to see how they are correlated now. Okay, so we still training and development here against firm performance now. We are passing our two variables in or parameters to our Pearson correlation. Okay. Meanwhile, also we want to see the p-value as well. So we print correlation, Pearson correlation coefficient into 3 decimal values. Okay. So we print our p-value also to 4 decimal values. Okay. So we are asking that if p-value is less than 0.05, then we print result reject H naught, significant relationship exists. Okay. But else, if it's not, then it means if the p-value is equal to or greater than 0.05, then we fail to reject no significant relation exists. Okay, that is what we are trying to say here. So we can plot a scatter plot to see the plot how it look like. So if you run the course now, this is what you have. So these are our plots actually using a plot the figure here. You can see training and development, firm performance data, our data alpha 0.6. This is what you have used with just adding the title, the label. So we just generate our plot. So we pass in our two variables S and Y to the and our data is passed in to separate. So this is what we have as a result. Our heading, Pearson correlation coefficient is 0.60. We need this one, it's very important. Then we have p-value is also here 0.000. So we sort the reject H naught, which is not hypothesis, significant relationship exists. That's what we coded there to show us. So which means that this is significant, and this is our correlation coefficient 0.6. Okay, this is acceptable. Now this is our plot. Okay, training versus trainer development versus performance. All right, this is performance here, our y-axis. Okay, remember our s-axis is here. Okay, training and development score. So you can see this is what we have. Okay. All right, so our data are not too many, so we have a few data for that particular one. Okay, so if you can still interpret it in the two way. It shows that we have a strong relationship, okay, between them because of a significant value 0.000. Okay, correlation is 0.0604, which is strong positive relationship, although not that too strong, but at least it's better. Okay, so as this significant is less than 0.001, which is highly reliable finding. Practical meaning is that as training and development improves, then performance signally increases. Can you see across the group? I mean across the upper standard side. So in simple terms, better training programs, better company performance. Okay, and this relationship is both strong and statistically proven. All right, that is what you have done. So there's a very simple interpretation, and you can give. So we can also explain further in our discussion section. If you are writing a journal, I mean writing an article for journals, or you are writing a manuscript. So for thesis, so it's very simple. So this is what we have so far under the that's the hypothesis 1, which is our training and development versus firm performance. So we have answered that question now, and our question is that it is significant for training and development versus firm performance. We look at the correlation, significant correlation. So you can see the positive relationship exists between them. Can you see positive relationship exists between them? So which means that training and development is very important. All right, but we are still going to do further and do the rest and see which one is highly significant. I mean more significant among them. So that is what fourth question seems to address a part of it. So let's move on now and stop at this point and see how we do the next one. So I will stop here today, and I will continue from there in the next class. Thanks so much for listening. I will see you in the next class. Bye for now.